Hi and welcome to Aventis. This video will guide you on how to use Moodle, your personalized learning management platform where you can access your material, resources, and submit your assignments. First things first, visit Aventis Moodle by visiting the link shown. This will take you to a login page where you may key in your username and password respectively. The login details should have already been provided to you by Student Services. If you did not receive the details, or if you are having difficulties logging in, you may contact the Student Services team for assistance via email, call, or WhatsApp. You may also try clicking the Lost Password button if you are unable to log in. This should bring you to a page where you can either enter your email or username. Click Search and an email should be sent to the registered email account with instructions on how to reset your password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top right of the home page, where you will see your profile icon. From there, click the Preferences button. From the Preferences page, click on Change Password under User Account and make your changes. On the navigation bar at the top of the home page, you should find a tab named My Courses. Click this and it will bring you to a page that shows you the course or courses you are enrolled in. Once you have entered the page for your course, you are able to find the details of the course such as the lesson materials and assignment submission links at the left side of the page. Other materials such as the module handbook and Zoom link are also found on this page. To submit your assignment, navigate to the left side of the course page and scroll to find an Assignment Submission tab. Do take note that there are usually two submission links. The first link is for testing and is called Assignment Test Link, which allows you to check the plagiarism percentage of your assignment before you officially submit your assignment. This submission link will not be graded. Kindly also note that you will only be able to submit to this link once. The second link is for your actual submission of assignment. Do take note that the official assignment submission link will include the assignment submission deadline. You are reminded to check carefully before submitting your assignment, as you are only allowed to submit your assignment to this link twice, where the later submission will be used for marking. If you wish to resubmit your assignment, kindly inform the Student Services team, either via WhatsApp or email, for assistance. Please note that resubmission will only be allowed once. To find your grades, you may find them at the assignment link where you submitted your assignment. Click into that assignment page and you should be able to view your grades and feedback on your assignment. The page should look something like this. If you are experiencing any difficulty finding or accessing the grades, you may contact Student Services for further assistance. Thank you and happy learning with Aventis.